Yes, friends, as you have seen in the thumbnail and title, today we are going to talk about the affiliate program of an audio and video language translation website. So you can see here, I have searched the website name in Google. You can check here. I have searched in Google by writing rask.ai. I have searched by writing rask.ai. See here, empower your product with Rask AI API provides everything you need to quickly and efficiently localize your videos, including transcriptions and translation. Basically, there is a website with video translation and audio translation. So here, I will show you the details by opening the website through the link. Here, I have opened the website through the second link. You can check here. The website is opening in front of me here. If you can show it to people. So if you have written the name of your website, please see it here, Raz.